I want to show you SEO optimizations. So to do this, you will need, ideally at least, the chapters of all of your videos. If you don't have a chapter for your timestamps, that's completely fine. You can also just enter a rough draft and it'll do just a good enough job. What I like to do is the following. So my prompt is, for the given chapters, I want you to generate SEO tags. Make sure you cover high search volume tags, add in some ranked tags as well as some long-tailed tags. So if I just scroll down, you can see here that it attaches a score for each of your tags. So as you can see, my tags here are not optimized, in that most of these are in the 30s, where you should ideally be aiming at least in the higher 50s or 60s and such. So these need to be changed, and that's exactly the use case that I'll be showing you. So once you give it what you want, you just then want to go in and paste your tags. And then if you give it a go, it'll generate some of the tags that, will hopefully do a better job. We'll send that. So as you can see, it gave me that whole blurb. If I now just take this, if I come back to my video, if I just reopen it just to see how it did. All right, so these are our new tags. As you can see, all of these are almost ranked much higher. As you can see, there's a lot of 58s, 50s, even some late 40s and such. So overall, I think it did do better. But eventually, now what you have to do is kind of mix and match between what you had before and what you have here, and then kind of combine them to find out your most well ranking video tags.